Hey guys, here's my puppy. I'm sorry I didn't film getting him, but here he is. He's very playful. He's only 8 weeks old. He's only 8 weeks old. You see, I'm cuddling him to death right now. He just wants to get out. I have to show him on camera. Yeah. He wants to. We'll see where he goes. Where do you want to go, buddy? He's supposed to relax, it looks like. No, don't. Oh, guys, this is the second time I'm filming in Colorado. This is where I live, okay? Same. Where you going, Bruno? He's going somewhere. He's going. Here, I'm gonna film if I just charged my iPad. So it looks like Bruno is currently 8 weeks old, which is good. Come here, Bruno! Come here, Bruno! That's not him. Oh, there he is. Come on, Bruno. Come on, Bruno. Come on, buddy. You can make it. Buddy? Oh, I have an idea. Sorry. So there he goes. He's walking. He's on an adventure. So I'm gonna do something. Sorry. Okay. Oh. That won't work because I can't hold him with. You okay, Bruno?
I'm gonna try to put 2,500, $3,000 down.
Bruno, come here.
Trying to get the best interest.
Bruno. Oh, I'll show you guys something. There. See. Look at his name tag. Sort of basic. It's like Bruno on it.
Right.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go back through. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry I haven't been making videos lately. It's because I've been taking care of the puppy lately. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading videos, but I got some Twist, which is Sprite. So sorry guys, I haven't been uploading, but yeah. So I will upload another video tonight. It'll probably be with Bruno. Like, remember when I did Jumba's puppy dance party? I'll make another one, but with Bruno. Only Bruno, okay? But by the way, guys, I'm in Colorado right now. That's where I live. I don't live in California. And Bruno's back here, looks like. Don't chew on the birthday card! I'm trying to chew on this. Which is, I don't know what it is, and you might be blind. Do you like watching my channel? Well, there's it is, yeah. I found out that people do this on the internet a lot. I thought that was the smartest thing in the world. What people do is do this. Isn't this the smartest thing in the world? So now I can basically move it wherever I need to. Right now. So basically, Bruno's a Basset, a Rottweiler, and a Husky, I think. So, that's it for today, I guess. So, I'll upload another video. But that's Bruno. Well, okay, guys. So we'll see you later. Have a good day, and yeah, 1 like equals Bruno has fun right now. So goodbye, guys. Bye.